My name's Evan. I'm here with an imaginary management team focusing on why we've got the issues within the IPD Group Warehouse SBU. Shortly, I'll present some of the objectives, the challenges, some of the findings that came out of the report, recommendations and conclusion. Essentially, the warehouse has an operational deficiency. There's constant dispatching errors, and we need to look at ways of optimizing the existing customer service, which will translate to better customer satisfaction. So utilizing AI, big data, Internet of Things, and cloud-based technology, there's definitely a case to build with implementing some of that for operational improvement. Before I get to that, I want to focus on the pestle analysis that came out of Assessment 1. Essentially, there's macro-environmental factors that are at play with geopolitical tensions causing pressure on business around privacy, data. How does that translate in compliant business practices? So some of that will come out. And also qualitative research using industry frameworks. Some of the current challenges, getting into the finer detail within the warehouse SBU, is inefficient order picking and dispatch process. There's low accuracy and execution gaps, which is fundamentally around training the existing resource and also looking at a different process with technology as a way of replacing the manualized checking system that is in play prior to dispatch. There's a little box that says, have you checked this box? In most cases, it would appear, based on the findings, that the box is ticked but not checked. And as a result, some of the challenges the business faces is increased customer complaints and undue pressure on the existing customer service team, which comprise of different operational SBUs. Some of it's finance, some of it's people that are looking after customers. It's also back to the warehouse, and also the wash up of that in terms of getting the right product out, organising the credit note, the time delays in between it. Google ratings are now going down. There's also the perceived perception around the quality of service as a result. And with the findings that came out of Assessment 1, utilising some of the industry 4.0 technology, there's going to be a reduction in warehousing and transport costs, which will be in the vicinity of 5 to 10%, according to the research. On top of that, it gets better. There's 25 to 40% reduction in supply chain costs, 20 to 50% in inventory reduction, which allows more cash flow within the business, and also up to 50% improvement in forecasting accuracy. So that research percentages that I've shared is critical in terms of enabling the right process, people and operations to transition to other technology for optimization. Some of the recommendations is implementing AI, big data, analytics and cloud-based solutions, and introducing digital picking in warehouse for optimization, and upskilling the workforce, and then tracking their performance using key performance indicators on a dashboard. Concluding is digital transformation is critical for the business's competitiveness, and also having a structured rollout that encompasses a plan, training, and a continuous improvement with the monitoring. Expected outcomes for the business is lower costs, higher accuracy, and improved service quality. Thank you.